हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू एफपीएल गपशप। मेरा नाम है रक्षित एंड आई एम जॉइंड वंस अगेन बाय मनन छिपर। भाटिया साहब इज स्टिल मिसिंग। लास्ट रूमर थे कि ही वाज स्पॉटेड इन वेनेजुएला, निकोलस मडूरो के घर पे।
Oh
सो
no.
जैसा हमें इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलती है हम आपको कंफर्म करेंगे, बट ही स्टिल मिसिंग। होपफुली वो वेनेजुएला से वापस आ सकते हैं अपने घर जहाँ भी वो रहते हैं, एंड ही विल बी होपफुली देयर फॉर द गेम वीक 2020, गेम वीक 22 पॉड।
Oh,
But this week is not about Bhatia Saab. This week is about my man Manan Chipper, who had a huge score जिसकी हम बात करेंगे. But Manan, we are back again, man. Not missed a single pod this season.
yeah,
Some
no,
sort
no,
of an achievement for sure.
100%, yeah. And we also, again, me and you were talking abhi podcast start mein with that the support also has been very, very nice, very generous, and people like नहीं करते, but at least थोड़े views दे रहे हैं. If only आप थोड़ा सा like भी कर दे, because it takes 1 second and it helps us reach on to more people. So if you can please like
Core
and subscribe.
engaged FPL managers. Every
Yeah,
one of
yeah,
you
yeah.
watching. यार लास्ट वाला गेम वीक का पॉड वाज लेस देन 24 hours before deadline and we got 450 views.
Yeah.
Hindi speaking FPL audience, 450 views less than 24 hours. This is like the core FPL engaged managers, right?
एंड हम हमारे टेलीग्राम ग्रुप में बात करते हैं एवरीवन इज डूइंग सो वेल इन टर्म्स
Yeah.
ऑफ अगर आप देखो यूथ स्कोर्स people making right decisions, a lot of people had Rice there, a lot of people still were Thiago के साथ उन्होंने persist किया था like me and
और
you.
और
Yeah, I
नहीं
want to
भी
say
किया
you.
तो एक सपोर्ट ग्रुप है,
Yeah,
क्योंकि
obviously.
क्योंकि खुशी बांटने से बढ़ती है और दुख बांटने से कम होता है दोस्तों। ये मेरा
100%,
मानना
absolutely 100%, yeah.
है। तो मेक श्योर दोस्तों आप टेलीग्राम चैनल हमारा फॉलो करिएगा, वहाँ पे दुख बांटेंगे अपना आपस में, खुशी भी बनाएंगे ऑफ कोर्स। लिंक
Yeah,
आपको मिल जाएगा वीडियो की डिस्क्रिप्शन में, पिंड कमेंट में भी मिलेगा। और लाइक करिए दोस्तों, बिकॉज दैट genuinely helps us
yeah.
in reaching a wider FPL audience. But this is a core FPL show. Thank you so much for watching once again. I just thought मनन एक shout out देता हूँ because last week के views देख के modest number of views, but within 24 hours I was pretty amazed. So that's
Yeah,
why we are here
it
every week.
gives us the motivation, Rakshit, right, to come
Yeah.
back and talk about the game we all love and hate at the same time.
या एंड मेरे को मोटिवेशन चाहिए बिकॉज हमारी मेरी टीम पे आएंगे, बट पहले बात करते हैं हम रूबन एमोरिम की। एंड ही हैज जस्ट बीन सैक्ड। लास्ट वीक हमने बात करी थी मारेस्का की, नेक्स्ट वीक हम बात करेंगे थॉमस फ्रैंक की, उसके नेक्स्ट वीक बात करेंगे हम नूनो की, मे बी उसके नेक्स्ट वीक हम करेंगे स्लॉट की, एंड मे बी उसके बाद पेप गार्डियोला भी सैक हो सकता है, क्या पता भाई, इन दिस फकिंग मैड लीग।
What a
बट
great
दिस
first week 2026 का Rakshit, right?
Oh
Like,
man, absolutely crazy. And the weird part is, Manan, ki there were so many points over the last 1 year where we would not have been surprised when Amorim got sacked. But this is genuinely surprising because this is not performance related. This is not league position related. Obviously, long term results have not been good for a long time, हमें पता है. But they just put a good performance against Leeds United away from home with a very depleted squad. So timing is a bit fishy. But Manan, this is completely to do with the comments जो उसने after the
yeah.
match I think करे थे, where he questioned the leadership. और अब तो थोड़ी न्यूज आ चुकी है कि क्या हुआ है, तो जेसन विलकॉक्स के साथ बेसिकली he had long term problems, तो disagreements। and अगर आप मनन, अगर आप स्टाइल ऑफ फुटबॉल पुअर है, इट डजंट मैटर। आपके पॉइंट्स नहीं आ रहे हैं, इट डजंट मैटर। फैन बेस आपसे अनहैप्पी है, इट डजंट मैटर। बट अगर आप लीडरशिप क्वेश्चन करोगे, यू क्वेश्चन योर बॉसेस, then you get sacked. We've seen that in Maresca, we've seen that in Amorim also.
Yeah, and I mean, before that interview, matlab, the way he walked in, the way he went out, the way he said, he knew it was coming. I think it was not, and I feel like he wanted to get sacked in terms of he was also just done. It just seemed to me, I may be wrong, but the way he said it, the way he walked off, he knew, and obviously it was written. He said 18 months, but it was exact 18 hours that he was sacked. So, so I mean, yeah, it's. I agree with you. I did not expect this. I feel last year कभी भी करते मैं shock नहीं होता, but right now I was shocked to hear this. And they'll now continue with an interim manager or some
Till
sort,
the end of the
right?
season, I think.
Yeah, till the end of the season. So let's talk about the FPL implications because
Yeah,
we
very
might
quickly,
see.
Manan, because
Yeah.
again, it's a short pod and हम obviously पता नहीं हमें, but मेरे हिसाब से तो it's very clearly they're gonna go to a back four.
Yeah,
Kobe Mino is gonna come back into the team. He's gonna play pivot with either Casemiro or Ugarte. And Bruno Fernandes will be number 10. Brian
which
Mbeumo will be
everyone
on the
wanted,
right wing.
and I
Yeah,
can't wait to
Matias
own
Cunha
him
will be on
again.
the left, and I think Sesko will be the striker. Or they
Yeah.
might play like Cunha or an Mbuemo number 10 as the
Or
striker and
Mount.
Diallo as the or Mount
Yeah,
also. So they're going to go back to a back four and Bruno's going to be number 10 now, which is huge.
which is the best news. I mean, again, it will just unleash Bruno more. And बिफोर अपने पोस्ट मैच में ये भी बोला था एमरिम ने कि बोथ ब्रूनो एंड माउंट माइट गेट सम मिनट्स इन द अपकमिंग गेम फॉर गेम वीक 21. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि as soon as I get to know, मतलब मैं देखूंगा अगर if Bruno is getting the minutes, especially if he starts, my fingers will be like, थोड़ा सा to do Cunha to Bruno. Yeah.
एब्सोल्युटली एब्सोल्युटली देखते हैं इसके बारे में. आई थिंक हम मनन
Yeah.
डिटेल में बात करेंगे, बट एमोरिम इज गॉन एंड डैरेन फ्लेचर आई थिंक विल बी द इंटरिम मैनेजर,
Yes.
and I think 4-3-1 is coming back, which
Yeah.
people have been asking for a long time. And I do feel Manan ki short term भी United के results can improve because the squad is there, attack is there, squad is there. I think they might improve. Anyways, हम बात करेंगे आगे. इस वीक लेकिन बात करते हैं मैनन about your monster score of 77 minus 4, so that is 73 points. Primarily, it has been about 217 pointers, man. Igor
That's
Thiago
insane.
hat-trick away at Brentford, and Malik Thiaw 17-pointer against Crystal Palace at home. But yeah, I'll let you take us through your team.
Again, week in, week out, we talk about you just need a couple of players to do well. And I think I had 5 players who did really well. If you talk about 217 pointers to 9 pointers from, I know people own them, but I still, it matters to have all 4-5 players in this combination. अगर आपके 4-5 players हो जो let's say 7, 9, 17 again in this case दे रहे हैं, तो that's all matters. Again, first of all, Thiago, मैंने खुद ने एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था. आई एम बीइंग ऑनेस्ट. अगर मेरे पास एक्स्ट्रा ट्रांसफर होता है, माइट इवन हैव सोल्ड हिम. सो इट वाज बिकॉज़ ही वाज आल्सो अ डाउट फॉर दिस गेम, राइट? हमें लगा था मिडवीक गेम है, 90 मिनट्स खेला है, नहीं स्टार्ट करेगा. नॉट एक्सपेक्टेड 4 गोल्स अगेंस्ट एवर्टन, वो भी अवे जाके. अगेन आई हैड कीन, आई प्लेड कीन, एंड अगेन थियागो, he was getting into the positions last 2 matches में, but I did not expect this. Thiago, he has scored before, but मैंने expect नहीं किया था. बहुत थोड़ा सा, I have not seen the goal you told me, थोड़ा सा dodgy goal था again, so I'll take
That's an
it.
understatement. अगर किसी ने भी चैट में देखा है या व्यूअर्स ने देखा है तो let's just say कि it was a centre back's finish.
Yeah. So again,
2 yard thump into the net from
this
from
is
a box scramble.
this is
Oh
the
man,
season of
crazy.
centre back structure. This is the week of.
This is the season of Manan Chipper. This is the season of Manan Chipper because
I'm
दोस्तों
not.
निको राइली जो उन्होंने बेंच किया था, he was on a 9-pointer before Enzo's 97th minute equalizer or whatever. He was on a clean sheet, he was on 3 bonus, but of course Manan Chipper ने बेंच किया निको राइली को, तो कहाँ से पॉइंट आ सकते हैं उसके?
I was hoping for that, so I was happy to see the clean sheet gone. Gabriel Cunha 9 pointers, really appreciated. Verbruggen, man, again this was the money fixture against Burnley अपने home पे. He not aside I think one chance, he didn't look like conceding the whole game. Save points भी नहीं थे, but he still got 1 bonus despite Brighton scoring 2 goals, I think. So that was nice. I brought in Rodgers and Gabriel this week for a hit. Both returned. Rodgers ने एक assist दिया, although थोड़ा और कर सकता था. I was also considering Bruno G. So imagine if मेरे पास Bruno G होता उसकी place पे, but I cannot complain. Foden, Saka did not start. Came off the bench, got an assist. Really happy with him. But Foden, I really need to think about Foden. It's just next 3 fixtures are good. He's playing 90 minutes, so I'll just keep him. And yeah, Haaland. Who cares if Haaland scores or blanks, right?
Yeah, but
Yeah.
that's a third captaincy blank in a row now.
Still,
मतलब
I don't think it
all I'm
matters.
saying is it matters, Manan, because I have seen a lot of people जो risk लेते हैं captaincy में and week it is paying off, right? So हम कह सकते हैं it doesn't matter, आपका बहुत अच्छा rank आया of course, but people have got 100 plus points this week also because of certain players. And आप कह सकते हो कि हाँ आपका approach या मेरा approach या viewers का approach ये है कि हाँ we'll go for the safe captaincy option, but all it goes to show is कि you can take risks with captaincy as well, right? कि अगर आपने इन तीनों वीक्स में से लेट से तीनों वीक्स में किसी और प्लेयर्स को कैप्टन किया होता जैसे, तो आपको गेंस मिल सकते थे, अच्छे गेंस मिल सकते थे. अगर आपकी रैंक अच्छी नहीं है व्हाटएवर, तो आपको वहां से गेंस मिल सकते हैं. सो इट डज नॉट मैटर कि आप, क्योंकि इन द एंड आपका मैच चेल्सी के साथ था. एंड दे आर अ गुड टीम, चाहे मैनेजर हो या नियो एंड व्हाटएवर, राइट? डिफेंसिवली चेल्सी कभी भी थ्रैश नहीं होती है। लाइनअप देख के लग रहा था होगी, बट नहीं हुई, और हमने
Yeah.
कितनी बार देखा इस सीजन ये। एनीवेज, वील टॉक अबाउट हालैंड मे बी लेटर ऑन। बट मनन, असली स्किल होती है कि आपके पास कंप्लीटली राइट सेट ऑफ प्लेयर्स हो, बट फिर भी somehow you fuck up your game week, and that is me. Igor Thiago on the bench with a magnificent 17 pointer, first on the bench. क्या हो सकता है, राइट? हाँ यार, मतलब एवर्टन कहाँ मतलब इतने गोल खाती है, एवर्टन ने बैक टू बैक क्लीन शीट रखी है, थियागो अब में भी बेंच हो जाएगा, ठीक है यार, मतलब बहुत टाइम से गोल नहीं आ रहा है, उतारा नहीं है, पेनल्टी नहीं मिलेगी, बूम, हैट्रिक एट गुडिसन पार्क, एंड
Outscoring
थियागो
your
17
six
pointer.
players, outscoring your six players
Yeah,
together,
and
Thiago.
it was I decided to play Alderete, who was my lowest scoring player this week, because हाँ
Yeah,
टॉटनम है, डेफकॉन तो आ ही जाएंगे, नहीं भाई, डेफकॉन भी नहीं है और येलो कार्ड भी ले लिया उसने, 1-1 ड्रॉ, एंड एब्सोल्युटली वर्स्ट आउटकम, मतलब this game is unbelievable, by the way. I could have had one more point than you this week, by the way.
yeah.
It was a great week for me also. I had Gabriel, I had Malik Thiaw with 17 points, I
You
had
had
Bowen who gave
Cunha.
me DEFCONs, I had Cunha, I had Rogers, and I still have Thiago in my team, by the way, who had 17
Yeah.
points, but he's on my bench. मनन, मतलब I know बैकफायर होती हैं कभी कभी चीजें, बट इतना ब्रूटली बैकफायर होगा कि मतलब आल्डेरेटे 1 पॉइंट देगा और हैट्रिक मार देगा थियागो। आई नेवर थॉट इन वाइल्डेस्ट ड्रीम्स, मैन, एब्सोल्युटली
Proper
इनसेन,
variance. Proper variance. Again, we talk about.
इनसेन ब्रो। एक मारा ठीक है, जो दो मार दिए, आई पुट माई हैंड्स अप, आई मिसरेड इट, हैट्रिक मार दी भाई। मतलब यू, हमने प्रिडिक्शन करे थे, मैंने, आपने, भाटिया साहब ने, आई वेंट फॉर 1-1, आई वाज द ओनली वन हु गेव ब्रेंटफोर्ड अ गोल, आप दोनों 1-0 गए थे एवर्टन,
Yeah.
और
नहीं
4 गोल
एक्सपेक्ट
मार
किया
दिए।
था, नहीं एक्सपेक्ट किया
And
था
this reminded me of that freak Newcastle 4-1 win, I think, against Everton.
अगेंस्ट एवर्टन.
Absolutely
Yeah.
out of nowhere. So you have a theory which I like कि Everton अपने home पे against these sort of teams they go for the win, they play more expansive
Yeah.
and they concede goals. जबकि away from home they are like playing for a draw and whatever.
And they are conceding
It
shots
makes
away
sense.
from home. 1.5 XG every game, but still, what they do is they stay tight. They let the team take shots from distance, but they don't concede a lot of big chances.
Yeah. But insane. That's just how my season is going, unfortunately. Xhaka got 4 points, he got DEFCONs.
Still a green arrow,
Uh,
Rakshit. It could have been
it
huge, but still a green arrow.
या मैन, इट कुड हैव बीन ह्यूज, एब्सोल्युटली ह्यूज। आई कुड हैव जेन्युइनली, दोस्तों, मतलब 4.3 मिलियन मेरी रैंक थी, अभी 3.6 है, सो ऑलमोस्ट 600-700 के का गेन हुआ है, बट आई कुड हैव बीन इनसाइड द टॉप 3 मिलियन, इजीली हुआ था
Yeah,
इनफैक्ट, टॉप
आराम
थ्री
से
मिलियन
actually.
तो आप सोच लो दोस्तों कि 1.5 मिलियन रैंक एक वीक में आ जाती, तो अभी भी इतने गेन्स हैं। और हम बात करें ना कि कितने सारे प्लेयर्स हैं जो, इट्स अबाउट हॉल्स, इट्स अबाउट हैविंग दीज 3-4 प्लेयर्स एवरी वीक, एंड जस्ट गोज टू शो यू कि इफ यू हैव अ कपल ऑफ देम, आपकी रैंक ऊपर नीचे बहुत जा सकती है, बहुत जा सकती है।
The ranks are still quite close. Yeah.
एंड डिफरेंस इन पॉइंट्स इज ह्यूज, राइट? अभी भी अगर आप देखो, इन लाइक इन सो मेनी प्लेयर्स, लाइक अगर आप भाटिया साहब की टीम की बात करें, इट्स अ बिग गैप विच यू ओपनड अप नाउ, right? He got 54 points. Ekitike did not start when one striker, Xhaka, came on, I think, for him with DEFCONs. Rogers assist, Saka assist. He had Declan Rice who got 17 points. Manan, by the way, you got 73 without Declan Rice. That's insane.
Yeah. Again,
He
it's
had
it's just about a
117
couple
points
of
this
players.
week.
Yeah.
Exactly. Pope, clean sheet. Gabriel, he got. Keane, 0. Matthias Nunes was his transfer, जिसके ऊपर आपको कुछ कहना है, I think.
Yeah, I mean, so he. Thank you for putting me on the spot. Uh, so I think he did. I don't remember the second transfer, but I think he did one transfer entirely to Matheus Nunes, and for me, it's a little sideways moves considering both play for City. I know Nunes has been playing better, but Chelsea was not. मुझे नहीं लगता था Chelsea ऐसा fixture था जहाँ पे you would have thought कि the transfer is worth it. At least अगर let's say कोई easier fixture होता है, Matheus Nunes का बहुत attacking upside होता है, right? तो I would have understand it. But again, I'm no one to question the eliteness of Bhatia Saab. But for me, it was a little bit of sideways, a waste of a transfer, basically. Yeah. Let's
So
not.
because आपने बोल दिया Matthias Nunes का 17 पॉइंटर आने वाला against Brighton. So
That
thanks
is
for that.
very
Thanks for
true.
that, Mr.
That
Super.
is that is very true. Yeah.
Okay, let's go to quickly move on to projected goals and clean sheet odds. Again, अगर आप last week की बात करोगे, it was slightly better than the previous
It was
midweek.
It was, yeah.
अगर in terms of projections, but we have another midweek now. और
Yeah.
midweeks में मुझे लगता है उल्टी-पुल्टी चीज़ें होती हैं। एंड दिस पर्टिकुलर मिडवीक तो थोड़ा और ट्रिकी लग रहा है मुझे मनन। एक टीम स्टैंड आउट दिखा रहा है, वो है मैन सिटी। वुड यू एग्री इन टर्म्स ऑफ
Yeah.
लेट्स से गोल्स, एटलीस्ट गोल स्कोरिंग?
I would agree because Brighton also are a team जो they don't know how to sit back, right? They don't know how to defend, and I have owned Verbruggen. I've never been confident in a clean sheet. Let me just put it that way. So I expect Brighton to play their game, which will play into the hands of Man City, and that's where I feel. And again, City have dropped now points into consecutive matches. This I have a sneaky feeling. I might be wrong, but I just have a feeling that this could be something like a 4-2, or it could be a wild one. It's just a feeling that City might want to go for it in this match in terms of home game है. Brighton थोड़ा open game भी खेलती है, spaces मिलती है to for Haaland and Foden and Cherki to run behind them. So मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि we might see a wild match, but yeah, just a gut feeling, yeah.
बट डू यू थिंक कि कुछ प्रॉब्लम है सिटी में पॉइंट्स ड्रॉप का अगेंस्ट सदरलैंड, पॉइंट्स ड्रॉप अगेंस्ट चेल्सी? आपको कुछ परफॉर्मेंसेस में या नंबर्स में कुछ ऐसा दिखा है विच सजेस्ट कि मे बी सिटी थोड़ा डिक्लाइन में जाने वाली है अब?
I don't think so यार. Obviously they were not against Chelsea के again they should have done better, but ऐसा नहीं था कि वो बहुत poor थे. According to me, even against Sunderland, I just felt कि they were finish मतलब sort of final third में they were really poor with their touches. And again, if you see last match maybe Haaland hit the post, actually inside of the post, right?
Yeah.
And again Rangers have been scoring for I think 2 consecutive matches. उसका थोड़ा form better हो रहा है, चर्की का हो ही रहा है, right? I just feel City will come back to their goal scoring sort of form. I don't have any issue with holding Haaland and Foden personally. And again, the next 3 fixtures are really good. I just feel next 3 are the prime fixtures for if to have a double up, and I'm not worried about it.
Yeah, I
Personally.
think Brighton is a good home match to have because वो आपको spaces देते हैं, they sort of go for you, so आपको भी
Yeah.
spaces मिलेगी. Yeah, but obviously जैसे मैंने बोला you can go against Haaland if you want, but मेरे हिसाब से भी स्टैंड आउट कैप्टन है वरना डिफेंसिवली। लेकिन 35% चांस क्लीन शीट का। डिफेंसिवली नाउ ग्वार्डियोल लॉन्ग टर्म प्रॉब्लम है, डियास वेंट ऑफ इंजर्ड, रॉड्री प्लेड 90 मिनट्स एज अ सिंगल पिवट, आई एम नॉट श्योर 3 दिन बाद स्टार्ट करेगा। शॉर्ट टर्न अराउंड है ऑब्वियसली, निको गोंजालेस इज आई थिंक आउट इंजर्ड। देयर आर डेफिनेटली डिफेंसिव इशूज। सो लेट्स से अगर आपके पास निको राइली है, बहुत लोगों के पास डोनारूमा ऑब्वियसली आप मे बी रिटेन करोगे, बट मार्टिस नूनेज, निको राइली ओनर्स हैं जैसे हम तीनों हैं, तो व्हाट इज द लॉन्ग टर्म अप्रोच आपके हिसाब से सिटी डिफेंस का? डू वी कम
Again,
ऑफ नाउ?
not really, because with Guardiola injured and now Ake need to go in the centre back position. And although Ait Nouri aane wala hai, but I'm still not sure wo kab aayega. I think he's I think 3-4 days away only, or sorry.
Depends on Algeria, man.
Yeah, exactly. So a week away, right? Let's just say a week away. So I just feel कि at least O'Reilly के minutes सब secure हो गए जो Guardiola की injury से पहले नहीं थे. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कोई भी एक midweek में he might get rest, but now they don't have players to field, right?
But can you see clean sheets though? That's my question. And he's not attacking itna abhi anyways last 4-5 weeks se.
Yeah, true. Probably one. It's just the fixture. Next 3 fixtures are good. I'm happy to hold. Probably get 1 clean sheet in the next 3 or something is what my expectation is. But yeah, long term, I don't like a City defender at all. मुझे ऐसा लगता है. Even Foden, I don't like Foden long term. I feel Cherki is a better FPL asset because उसका price भी काफी low है Foden से, and he's doing a lot. He's looking very lively. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है I just feel we don't own the best 2 City assets which are I mean the second City asset which is Cherki. I like Cherki more than I like Foden. I test wise as well. So I don't think City की clean sheets का at least for the next 3 मुझे ऐसा लगता है एक तो रख ही लेगी which is enough to justify.
Okay. Let's quickly move to other teams. Where do you see goals and clean sheets coming from this week?
Arsenal, I think it's a very good. I have double Arsenal defense. Obviously, they should start for it. I'm not sure कौन खेलेगा नहीं खेलेगा because अब मैं आर्टेटा पे बिल्कुल भरोसा नहीं करता हूँ. वो रैंडमली कोई बेंच कर देता है.
बधाई हो by the way अगर आप लोग के पास राइस था and you like stuck on to Declan Rice.
Yeah.
Hugely rewarded, man. Hugely rewarded.
And this match is prime Rice match. I stand by the
Again,
statement.
yeah.
Yeah, so it's a better, but Liverpool have been conceding a lot of chances from the Saka's flank, by the way. So that is good news for Saka owners as well, and I think he has now gotten his rest as well. So I'm expecting a goal. I'll not even say an assist from, and I'll be disappointed अगर Liverpool के against नहीं आया. Although थोड़ा defensively better कर रही है, but still Liverpool. This is a very good match for an Arsenal clean sheet and a Saka goal personally.
आई थिंक क्लीन शीट के लिए बहुत अच्छा मैच है।
Yeah.
लिवरपूल अब थोड़ा अपने अटैकिंग प्लेयर को सैक्रिफाइस करके थोड़ा सा डिफेंसिवली फोकस कर रही है। मुझे लगता है वो थोड़ा डिफेंसिवली अप्रोच करेगा। आई फील कि हाँ, सेट पीस से काइंड ऑफ ओपन अप हो सकती है, स्पेशली द वे कोनाटे एंड ऑल आर डिफेंडिंग राइट नाउ।
Gabriel
आई
scoring
वोंट
again.
बी सरप्राइज्ड इफ गेब्रियल स्कोर्स अगेन मैन।
No, he is
होली
scoring again. Yeah, he is. He can't stay away
या,
from the
व्हाट
goal,
अप
man.
मैन, बेस्ट एसेट इन द गेम,
Hands
बेस्ट
down,
एसेट इन द
hands
गेम
down,
ब्रो।
hands down.
Would you captain Gabriel if you want to go against Haaland? Who would you captain? Gabriel?
Not really. Again, it's. I like the fixture, but it's just can he? We always question with a defender, can he keep it on? And Gabriel would be the prime defender who can do it. By the way, right?
Yeah.
He obviously can, but it's just I still like Haaland more. But if I had to go second, who's the best captain? I'd probably say Gabriel or probably say Cunha. But yeah, those are the only
Yeah.
two three options. My
Yeah.
question to you, Rakshit, is the Newcastle Leeds match again. Bruno G is another asset that me and you both are eyeing,
Beast.
right? Do you think it's a good entry point in for this match? Do you see him scoring again? I think 9 returns in 10 games in 10 home matches, something like that.
Yeah.
Now,
I think it's never late to get Rice. It's never late to get Bruno G. They
yeah,
will
I
just
agree.
continue to do well all season. It's just that sort of season now. There is never a bad time to get Declan Rice, never a bad time to get Bruno Gomares. That's how it's been going.
Mm.
एंड दैट्स हाउ इट विल गो। आप कभी कभी प्रिडिक्ट नहीं कर पाओ मनन कि कौन से मैच में आएगा रिटर्न, बट जस्ट जस्ट होल्ड दीज प्लेयर्स मैन। एफपीएल गोल्ड है फॉर
Yeah,
देयर फॉर व्हाट देयर वर्थ।
especially
सो
this
जस्ट
season.
होल्ड ऑन टू देम, स्पेशली दिस सीजन राइट। कुनिया इस वीक होल्ड है ऑब्वियसली। आई थिंक एक बहुत बड़ा डिफरेंशियल कैप्टनसी शाउट है। बॉन्डी को मनन अगर कुछ करना है राइट, समटाइम्स अ गुड इंडिकेशन इसकी कहाँ गोल्स होंगे, इज लाइक कि is our both teams going to go for it, and this is a match
Yeah,
where they're going to go for it. If Burnley have to stay up, they have to beat a team like United at home. Will Cunha get spaces? I think he will.
hundred
थोड़ा सा
percent
न्यू
even.
मैनेजर बाउंस होगा, and I think he could do pretty well this week. In fact,
Actually, I
I think
like
he could do
this.
pretty
The
well this
the
week.
more I agree with you, the more I think
Yeah,
about it, it will be an open match. I feel Burnley will they'll try and go for the win. They have to again, considering how
yeah,
United have again they've not won a match. I think in last 2 3 matches, and अपने home पे they have to go for it. And I agree with you. It's a very good match for a Cunha captaincy actually.
yeah.
Differential.
Some matches to avoid, I think, are Fulham Chelsea. We both uncomfortable. Fulham away always is a match जो थोड़ा uncomfortable होते
Yeah.
हो। आई स्टिल फील कि अगर आपके पास कोई भी चेल्सी प्लेयर है आप उसे खिला सकते हो। एंजो है खिलाओ, पाल्मर है खिलाओ, चालोबा है खिलाओ, डेफकॉन का अच्छा चांस है।
Harry Wilson, Rakshit, he's scoring
हैरी
every
विल्सन
game.
ऑफ कोर्स, हैरी विल्सन 100% आप स्टार्ट करोगे। आई
Yeah.
थिंक फॉरेस्ट आर गोना बीट वेस्ट हैम मैन। अगेन
Yeah.
दिस इज अ मैच जहाँ पे बोथ टीम्स हैव एंड वेस्ट हैम हैव टू विन। आई
They
फॉर
have to
वेस्ट हैम
now.
हैव टू विन। 4
What
पॉइंट्स
was
गैप
this
है।
performance? What was that
फक,
performance?
ओ
How
माय
can you
गॉड,
lose 3-0 to Wolves, who have
ओ
what
माय गॉड।
six points?
Manan, they had I think 0 shots on target in the whole
That,
match, I think।
yeah,
फर्स्ट
insane.
हाफ में तो था ही। वाओ, ड्रेडफुल परफॉर्मेंस।
Yeah,
एंड जस्ट लाइक नूनो के पुराने क्लब वुल्व्स ने उनको पनिश किया, उनका एक और पुराना क्लब फॉरेस्ट उनको
club
पनिश किया।
Forest
इफ यू
Forest
वांट टू गो
चलेगा.
फॉर
Yeah,
पंट्स मैन, मॉर्गन गिब्स व्हाइट इज राइट अप देयर।
he is the best. I feel हम बात करते हैं ना हॉल्स की.
ग्रेट मैन,
He's
यप।
right up there. I think this week, if a person, he was very close to a Hall last game as well. He looked very
या,
lively. So yeah.
एंड बोर्नमथ टॉटनहम, डू यू थिंक दिस इज अ गुड मैच फॉर बोर्नमथ, या फिर अगेन दिस इज द टॉटनहम ट्रैप जहाँ पे हम टॉटनहम अवे फ्रॉम होम डिफेंसिवली सेटअप होगी, जैसे हमने देखा अगेंस्ट पैलेस, जैसे हमने देखा अगेंस्ट ब्रेंटफोर्ड, या फिर डू यू थिंक बोर्नमथ उनको खोल सकती है, क्योंकि बोर्नमथ खुद बहुत टाइम से नहीं जीती है।
Is Semenyo gonna play this match?
आई डोंट नो,
Because I think
आई डोंट नो।
because that थोड़ा उस पे मैटर करता है obviously if Semenyo plays or not. Um, I don't like this fixture personally. If you have a let's say an asset like Tavernier, Rakshit, are you inclined to play him?
यार मैं अपनी टीम पे आऊंगा. आई थिंक विल डिस्कस एक बार. दैट्स द डिलेमा आई हैव. आई एम प्रीटी श्योर आई विल मेक द रॉन्ग चॉइस एनीवेज. बट हाँ, दीज आर सम मैचेस. आई थिंक विला विल डू वेल अगेंस्ट पैलेस, कंसिडरिंग पैलेस की फॉर्म क्या है. ब्रेंटफोर्ड सनदरलैंड मुझे लगता है काइंड ऑफ लो स्कोरिंग हो सकता है, बिकॉज सनदरलैंड स्पेस नहीं देती ब्रेंटफोर्ड को. डिफेंसिवली सेटअप हो गई जाएगी.
Another
एवर्टन
Thiago
वुल्व्स में
Alderweireld.
मनन. आई वांट टू स्टार्ट हिम, सो नो. दैट्स
And
नॉट
now,
हैपनिंग.
now Alderweireld will do well. I'm telling
नाउ
you.
Alderete will score a goal. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Okay, let's move
One
on, Manan.
question.
I think,
No,
yeah.
sorry, just one question. Can you go back? People who have Ekitike, right? He was out with I think a muscle knock or something. I think उन्होंने वो कुछ बोला था DOMS or something, right? Um, uh, if you have Ekitike, and I don't think we'll get a pressure from Arsenal and Liverpool because
Okay.
match late है Thursday को. So and it's a Monday Tuesday deadline, right? Monday.
हाँ,
It's a Tuesday deadline, right?
Tuesday deadline, yeah.
Yeah, so I don't think we might not get a pressure from Liverpool. So in that situation, what would you do with Ekitike? Just for because a lot of
यार
people own Ekitike.
इंडिकेशंस हैं कि ही शुड बी बैक, स्पेशली बिकॉज टर्न अराउंड इज डिसेंट. एंड जो वो डॉम्स कह रहे थे वो जिम इंजरी है और व्हाटएवर, मसल
Yeah,
ओवरलोड है, जो भी है पता नहीं मुझे. ही शुड बी बैक, बट इज दिस एनीवेज अ गुड मैच फॉर हिम? आई एम नॉट
that's what
वेरी
I want
श्योर.
to ask you. Would you bench him for a defender, let's say for a Fulham Anderson or a Forest Elliott Anderson?
I'd
People
probably,
are.
it depends on your bench, but probably still play him. मतलब
Hmm.
benching a striker away from home, उसका कैसे बैकफायर कर सकता है मैंने फर्स्ट हैंड देखा है दिस वीक. सो भरोसा नहीं है. बट द थिंग इज मनन की रैंडम गोल खा रही आर्सेनल, राइट? इवन अगेंस्ट विला
Yeah.
गेम स्टेट पे आ गया था. दे कंसीडर्ड अ रैंडम गोल. अगेन दो गोल खाए अगेंस्ट बोर्नमथ. Just been that sort of a season. It's all about assets this season, man, rather
But
than
if you
clean sheet.
but if you talk about Arsenal keeping prime clean sheet, this is a ride up there.
Yeah,
Like
it looks like that. Looks like that. I am saying कि 3-0, 2-0, 3-0 है, एंड में खा लिया. That sort of thing is possible
hmm.
generally आर्सेनल के लिए. वुल्व्स के अगेंस्ट खा लिया था यार.
But क्या
But I
but
still feel कि
Ekitike लास्ट तक टिकेगा? That's also a
हाँ
question,
वही है,
right?
वही है. It depends on your bench. अगर नहीं है
Yeah.
ऑप्शन तो
I'd
खिला लो.
personally bench him. I'd personally bench
या
him. Personally.
I don't even
Even
mind if
for
you
a.
sell him actually. Don't even mind if you sell him.
But the next game is Burnley.
Oh,
Yeah, I
yeah.
think the
Probably
next game
probably
is
like
Burnley.
hold and bench.
It's
Yeah.
an easier game, yeah. So.
Okay.
Hmm.
Let's quickly move on. This is your team. So I think it's a choice between O'Reilly and Keane for you, which is strange to say because they're Wolves at home.
Yeah, but it's just Keane is just coming off of an injury. He played 90 minutes. Next 3 days में एक और match है. I'm just
डेफकॉन को
not
नहीं मिला
sure.
ना?
No, he did not get F1. Tarkovsky got
Weird.
it, I think. Yeah,
It's so difficult to predict डेफकॉन. Like मुझे लग रहा था अल्डरेटे को मिलेगा, नहीं मिला. कीन like 4 गोल मारे,
Keane.
यू एक्सपेक्ट कि मिलेगा, नहीं मिला.
Yeah.
आई डोंट नो. या
I'm not expecting it's Wolves ke against. I'm not expecting Defcons. That's why it's easier for me to bench him in just in case I feel like ki O'Reilly if I want to start over him because now O'Reilly's minutes are pretty secure. So that's the reason. And if I feel keen Defcons bhi nahi layega, then essentially starting on 2, right? But he can score a goal. So I'll see after the press conference, but it's an easy roll. After ages, this is the first week I'm rolling. I don't think I've rolled a transfer since game week 13 or something of that sort. So it feels good to roll. Between Dubravka Verbruggen, I'm currently starting the Burnley goalkeeper. He might as well keep a clean sheet.
yeah.
That will be nice.
So who are you more inclined towards right now, Keane or O'Reilly में?
Starting Keane unless we hear from the manager that Keane is a doubt or he cannot play sort of 90 minutes in consecutive
What
games.
if you don't hear?
If we don't hear, I'd still start Keane, man. It's just I feel like it's Wolves. अगर वो West Ham game नहीं हुआ होता, right? This is the prime like the money game for Keane. So
True.
I'd probably start Keane. And again, he's that sort of a defender. अगर वो नहीं खेला तो वो आएगा ही नहीं. That's the best thing about him. So
Yeah, of
I
course.
don't
Of course, yeah.
I don't worry about the fact कि वो off the bench आके 1 point रखेगा. That won't happen.
Yeah. Captain
Easy
Haaland?
role. Yeah,
Or
yeah,
tempted
easy.
by Cunha or someone?
No. Captain Haaland, easy role.
Okay. This is my team. खास minor differences हैं, like you have Saka, I have Bowen,
Mm-hmm.
who on paper has Forest. Don't mind Bowen again. मतलब I'm happy to hold him. Even
Yeah.
if West Ham lose, I expect Bowen to do something. Although he
Like
was also
getting
decent in the last,
Defcons.
like
Like,
getting Defcons. My striker, man, my striker. Now starting Thiago this week.
are you
So I'm
sure?
sorry. I'm sorry
Are
for
you
the
sure?
blank, Manan. In advance, all the Thiago owners is gonna get a blank this week. Cunha, Foden, Rogers, Timber, Gabriel, Thiago, Vicario, expecting nothing. My question is ki O'Reilly versus Tavernier. Who would you play?
Yeah, that's a difficult one. That's what I was thinking about. I'd play O'Reilly. I'd play O'Reilly. Also, it depends on Semenyo because if Semenyo doesn't play, Tavernier will play thoda advance, is what I feel. And in that situation, थोड़ा सा फिर मैं Tavernier की तरफ करूंगा. But if Tavernier is playing थोड़ा सा deep, then I'll play O'Reilly because do you agree with me that obviously clean sheet का chance कम है, but it's just his minutes का जो इसको boost मिला है ना with Guardiola injury, that is थोड़ा सा huge for me in terms of at least we know he'll start now.
या हमने कितनी बार देखा है मनन कि ये बड़ी टीम्स में हम कभी कभी एक आध प्लेयर की एब्सेंस का थोड़ा ओवर एम्फोसाइज कर देते हैं, लाइक व्हाट
जी.
हैपेंड टू राइस. नहीं था, आर्सेनल वन, लाइक थ्रैश विला एंड ऑल. लाइक ऑब्वियसली लॉन्गर टर्म इट्स गुड
Hmm.
अगर आपके पास वो प्लेयर हैं, बट इमिजिएटली कितना अफेक्ट करता है टीम्स को वो आई थिंक कभी कभी थोड़ा सा ओवर स्टेट करते हैं हम लोग. जबकि बहुत ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा अगर लेट्स से ग्वार्डियोल है या
Yeah.
नहीं है, टू सिटी एंड टू ओराइली के प्रोस्पेक्ट्स,
Even
राइट.
Ruben Diaz again, Ake Kusanov, if they are
खुसनाव
playing,
बस, खुसनाव और डियास में तो मुझे वैसे ही फर्क नहीं लगता है, बाय द वे. ठीक
yeah.
है,
So
खुसनाव
again,
इज
that's
इनफैक्ट
what I'm
बेटर,
saying, right?
सिटी फैंस कहते हैं.
Yeah.
ग्वार्डियोल विल बी अ मिस, बट आके विल कम इनटू द टीम, ही इज देयर, ही इज गोना प्ले. So Ake got a rest by the way in the last match, so he's gonna play this match now.
Yeah.
He played like
100%.
40 35 minutes or something जब
Yeah.
Guardiola got injured. So O'Reilly है यार. Again it's difficult to predict कि कौन से matches में कौन अच्छा करेगा and whatever. Minte will be back in this match for Brighton, so I think he will be up against O'Reilly. So does that mean कि उसे थोड़ा पीछे रहना पड़ेगा to deal with him or not? We'll have to see. Will Rodri play back-to-back matches? Who will be the
Yeah.
DM now?
That's the
Rangers
biggest question, right? Will
रेंजर्स जीत
Rodri
लेगा.
play? Yeah.
या कभी कभी हमें लगता है मनन कि हाई स्कोरिंग मैच होगा, बट विल दिस बी एक्चुअली हाई स्कोरिंग मैच और विल दिस बी लाइक अ 2-0 सिटी सॉर्ट ऑफ अ मैच? आई डोंट नो, हु
It's
नोस.
just Rakshit, what I feel is if Rodri doesn't start and with the obviously the makeshift defensive line they have with all the new defenders and all Ake Kusano, it's just City might have to go with an approach of outscoring their opposition, right? And that's where my mind went to, let's say a 4-2 sort of a scoreline, just because I was thinking you and me both see Brighton scoring in this match, right? Sort of. And if they
या आई एम
do,
50-50 ऑन दैट.
yeah,
या
exactly, sort of. So if they do, then again, it's all about City outscoring them, and that's where I just feel that that's where I feel Haaland and Foden might be good options. But yeah, if Rodri's not playing in this match, then I'd lean towards Tavernier more. Let me just put it that way for your team.
या आई डोंट नो. आई एम नॉट श्योर अबाउट दिस. टैवर्नियर भी हर मैच खेला है, तो ही इज नॉट लाइक स्टार्टेड, मतलब एक ही मैच पूरे सीजन नहीं स्टार्ट किया. इज प्रीटी सेफ फॉर व्हाटएवर.
He's pretty safe, yeah.
Yeah, so I'll just take a call on that later on. But yeah, this is the team. Again, rolling because I don't have any immediate moves to make. But we will have moves to make आगे वाले weeks में. So
Yeah,
transfer
next week
handy
is
होगा.
pretty important in terms of Chelsea का के fixture turn की आप बात करो.
Chelsea,
United के
Rice, etc.
United.
United.
United has City and Arsenal
Yeah.
upcoming. So that will be again. We all have Cunha. So again, so now,
Cunha, again, it's a good match for Cunha, City.
yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
So you have now. This is you're only gonna roll this week, or you also roll last week?
No, I got Gabriel now this week.
Okay.
So I made one transfer. I did Calafiori to Gabriel. Again, team
Hmm.
is fine. Everything was fine. Just that wrong player.
Yeah, that's
इस वीक भी मेरे पास है. So I'm gonna do what you're gonna do. अगर आप माइकल कीन खिला रहे हो, ओराइली बेंच करो, तो I'll bench ओराइली. If you're gonna play ओराइली, I'm gonna play ओराइली. Simple.
I think you're following the wrong manager. I think let me put you on with Badia Saab.
तो मेरे हिसाब से तो मुझे ओराइली हटा के मार्टियस नुनेज ले आना चाहिए, right?
Yes, that's what you should do. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's coming,
Yeah,
Rakshit.
and
Not 17 pointer. I mean, it's more than that, 20 pointer or something. Matthias Nunes.
yeah. But I know, like Brighton, अगर आप देखोगे, away from home, unke matches generally they do sort of get a goal and they let opposition score goals. That
Yeah.
sort of a team.
I remember
So
last season, Rakshit, wasn't it a 2-1 Brighton win uh, against
let me
City?
check कि क्या है last season.
There was a
ब्राइटन
2-1
अपने होम
Brighton.
पे तो हराती है 2-2
हाँ, 2-2.
एतिहाद पे 2-1 ब्राइटन ने हराया सिटी को उससे
Exactly.
पहले.
Exactly. I
उससे
remember the last
उससे
minute goal.
पहले भी ब्राइटन ने अपने अच्छा इस सीजन 2-1 हराया था अपने होम पे. लास्ट सीजन भी 2-1 हराया था अपने होम पे.
Exactly. That's what I remember. Yeah.
या बट मैं वही देख रहा हूँ कि लास्ट टाइम व्हेन डिड सिटी कीप अ क्लीन शीट अगेंस्ट ब्राइटन वाज 2022. बट इट डजंट मैटर ऑब्वियसली.
Yeah.
या फोर्डन स्कोर्ड.
What about your goalkeeper Rakshit situation? Are you gonna go with Dubravka or Vicario?
विकारियो विकारियो विकारियो.
Even if you go with Tavernier?
या सी द थिंग इज
Okay.
कि अगेन हु विल आई बी शॉक्ड अगर टॉटनहम क्लीन शीट रखती है अवे फ्रॉम होम? नो,
नहीं, I agree.
absolutely not. And will he get saves against Bournemouth? Yes. It's sort of like the fixture जिसमें यहाँ पे हॉल पोटेंशियल है इसका.
Also,
पर
I'll
आएगा
be
नहीं.
shocked if Dubravka रख लेगा clean sheet against United. So yeah.
Yeah, I think Dubravka should concede in this match. Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you,
But
Rakshit,
Tottenham
for
का
the
भरोसा नहीं होता है. Tottenham
motivation.
have conceded 1 goal in the last 3 matches.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a strange season, man. Anyways, we'll wind up because काफ़ी टाइम हो गया. दोस्तों लाइक करिए और सब्सक्राइब करिए चैनल को, शेयर इट विद योर फ्रेंड्स. टेलीग्राम चैनल दोस्तों फॉलो करिएगा, लिंक आपको मिल जाएगा वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में एंड पेन कमेंट एज वेल. एनी लास्ट वर्ड्स मनन?
Now, all the best. Get ready for some rotation and bench points. 100% they are coming
Yeah.
this week.
Bench points is the theme of the season, I guess. Thank you all, and we'll see you very soon. Cheers, guys.
Cheers, guys. Good luck.